This is a video reply to a comment left by Scott Ghostik. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Sorry if I did mess it up, Scott. He was talking about these campsites that are basically wilderness highways for 3 or 4 months of the year being damaged beyond repair. And I've been to campsites like that, and you're absolutely right, Scott. They are brutal, and in my opinion, need to be shut down for a few years just to allow nature to start to recover. But the campsite in the video that I was talking about isn't that far gone yet. And I do like to naturalize the site whenever I leave it by putting branches back over the tent platform and the area around the fire pit so that it can naturally trap the debris that blows around and try and replace some of the duff that gets trampled. It's not beyond repair yet, and I think my efforts might actually make a difference. I thank you for your comment, and I hope that the rest of you go and check out the comments underneath that video, and I thank you very much for your views.